Hi guys, 3 important tips for your portfolio. Tip number 1. You don't want to leave in your portfolio or in your projects or in one single project one sketch which is not so bad but is not good enough. The reason is very simple. You will be remembered for that bad sketch and not for the other good stuff that you have in your portfolio. Tip number 2. When you put together your portfolio, make sure that the rhythm of your portfolio and the sequence of your projects it's well organized to make sure that the will to see the next project and to go from the beginning until the end, it's always strong and it doesn't come down while we watch your portfolio. So pay attention to the rhythm of your portfolio and the sequence of your projects. Tip number 3, the last one for this video. Remember that the portfolio is a very good expression of yourself, of your culture, of your education, of your head, of yourself. So when you put it together, remember that your portfolio is presenting not just your work, but also yourself. So it's very important the way you prepare it, the way you present it, and the way you put it together. Thank you, and follow this channel for more tips.